Grand Rising, my beautiful people. Wish you nothing but peace, blessings, and abundance. Hope you're so peaceful throughout the night. Hope nothing but peace, blessings, and abundance follow you throughout the day, throughout the rest of the week. Love, light, and gratitude. Positive vibes and high vibrations to the kings and queens, gods and goddesses. Just really want to share what the universe has stored within my mind and allow within my heart space. It will not be long. Okay. Anything can become a liability if you do not know how to utilize it. Once again, anything can become a liability if you do not know how to utilize it. One of the greatest assets we have is our mindset, is our mentality, is our way of thinking. But that same thing that's an asset can also become a liability if you do not know how to utilize it correctly. So let's do this. Where are you at right now? If you don't like where you're at, let's look at the thought patterns that have led you to that destination. Now ask yourself, if this mentality and this way of thinking keeps leading me to dead ends, keeps leading me to detours, why do I consistently operate with that thought pattern? See, that same thing that's supposed to be an asset has now become a liability. And when your mind is a liability, that means you are a liability. So if we don't like where we're at, one of the key things that we have to do is we have to transform our mind. We have to change our thought pattern. We have to change our mentality and our way of thinking. How do we utilize our mind? How do we take that which is a liability and turn it into an asset? It's easy. It's simple. What are you putting in it? What are you putting inside this right here? An asset is something that increases in value over a period of time. Now, whatever you consume, is this allowing you to be productive? Is it allowing you to be fruitful? Is it allowing you to operate to the fullness of your potential? Now, if you got all of this potential, if you got all of this potential that's inside of you and you're sitting on it, that's why you're frustrated. That's why you go through depressions. That's why you feel stuck. It's your way of thinking. So let's do this today. Let's watch our thoughts. Let's watch who we allow to penetrate and invade our mind. Listen, that which is important to you, you guard. You guard your energy and you guard your mind. So stop letting things that are not helpful to you invade that mind space and tear you down. Instead, if it's not adding to you, if it's taking away from you or subtracting from you, get rid of it. And I don't care if it's a person, get rid of it. I don't care how long you knew them. Get rid of it. It's not beneficial to you. It's not adding to you. It's not helping you along your destiny. It's not getting you to your final destination. We only want to be a part of that which is productive. We only want those people in our lives that are going to add to us. We only want those people in our life that don't want to see us stuck, that want to see us live out the fullness of our potential. You have so much gold. You have so much wealth on the inside of you. But the wealth is activated through a thought pattern. Everything that you need, it's on the inside of you. Your inner world produces your outward world. If you don't like how things are looking out here, then you have to go in here and you have to redirect your thought pattern. You have to redirect your mentality. You need to redirect those things that have led you to those spaces that you don't want to be in. Everything begins and ends with you. Now, are you going to turn this into an asset? Or are you going to continue to allow it to be a liability? Activate your gold. Activate your wealth. It all begins and ends with you. The world is waiting on you.